Weather Cake. Whether you're planning for a drive through one of our central New York winter storms, doing your best to beat the summer heat, or simply getting ahead for the weekend, Eyewitness Weather and the CNY homepage app have the tools and the talent you need to stay informed. Eyewitness Weather, local weather that matters. Now, your Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Happy Tuesday evening, everybody. 6:10 is now your time, and I'm tracking some temperatures that it will be into the 20s over the next few days before it turns bitterly cold yet again for the weekend, and that does include some snow chances in between as well. So for the next couple of days, starting with tomorrow, it'll be mostly cloudy and it'll turn a bit colder and brisk with some lake effect snow showers. And then as we head into our Thursday, the chance of a few snow showers does linger, although it does look like we will see some more in terms of sunshine out there. But then snow showers and some more clouds become likely again by Friday as another stronger clipper system moves through, and that significantly knocks back our temperature for the upcoming weekend yet again. So we'll get to that in the 7-day in just a few moments. Live look right now at downtown Utica, 23 degrees. We are seeing some snow showers though in the vicinity, mainly off toward the west right now. I'll show you where those are coming up in just a second. Temperatures from around the state right now are largely into the upper teens to the lower and middle 20s, but you'll notice out ahead of the front for most of our area we do have a southwesterly wind. Behind it, it's more of a north and northwesterly wind at the present time. So temperatures again in the teens and 20s, feeling like the teens and 20s because the winds are rather light. As we go through tomorrow, however, there will be a bit stronger of a breeze, so it'll feel not only colder, but it'll also feel more brisk out there, with temperatures making their way into the lower, if not the middle 20s. But for most of the day, wind chill values between about 5 and 15 degrees, and then dropping into the teens for temperatures tomorrow evening with single-digit wind chills across the region. For most of our area right now, we are dealing with some snow showers, but off toward the west, Oswego, Cayuga, and portions of Wayne County as well, dealing with a snow squall warning until 6:45. So that's just west of Oneida Lake. Wouldn't be surprised if one of those snow squall warnings were to sneak into portions of Oneida County. We'll certainly keep you posted on social media about that. That's part of a clipper system that is encroaching on western New York. Out ahead of it, a series of troughs, and then another stronger system delivering mainly rain toward portions of the south and southeast U.S. right now. Overnight tonight, back here closer to home on our future cast, we will keep the chances of some snow showers going, especially from the thruway up toward the northwest, closer toward Lake Ontario. Other than that, we'll see a lot of clouds, temperatures dropping into the single digits and teens. And some more snow showers can't be ruled out for your Wednesday with some low-level moisture in place, but I think it's generally a drier day, and we will see some clouds out there as well. Overnight tonight, dropping into the single digits and teens for most of our area. It'll be cloudy with a few snow showers early, and then again late in the night as well. And then for your Wednesday, it'll be cloudy and colder with some lake effect snow showers. Winds out of the west-northwest 5 to 15, keeping those wind chill values in the teens throughout the day. And the snow shower chances aren't going anywhere, at least until the weekend, but the weekend does turn bitterly cold. At least it looks quieter for the start of next week. Thomas, back to you.
All right, Jordan.
Now, your Eyewitness Weather forecast.
10:18 is now the time on this late Tuesday evening. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking clipper system moving through right now, producing some snow showers and resulting in a more brisk and colder Wednesday. Let's take a look at the weather headlines out there. That's part of them is the mostly cloudy skies and brisk conditions that we'll have for our Wednesday. And in the wake of that clipper system moving through the area, there will be some lake effect snow showers. Same thing as we go through Thursday, although I don't think it'll be as widespread, and not everybody's going to see them. But then snow showers return area-wide and become more likely as we head toward Friday with another stronger clipper that'll move through the area. So we'll get to all that in the 7-day forecast momentarily. Let's take a look at our almanac for today. 25 the high after hitting a low of -5. So that's a 30-degree jump from the high, or from the low to the high today. Still below the averages of 32 and 16 respectively, but it's milder than it has been over the last week and a half or so, and obviously not any records and no precipitation being observed either. Right now, temperatures across the area are largely into the middle and upper teens to the lower, if not the middle 20s out there. And as far as our temperatures tomorrow afternoon are concerned, we're going to be in a similar boat to today, within maybe a degree or two of that, just a little bit chillier. And we will see a lot of clouds tomorrow. Temperatures making their way into the lower, if not the middle 20s. However, most of the day, because of the wind, it'll feel like it's around 10 to 15. And then as we head toward the evening hours and we lose some of that daylight, we'll see temperatures themselves dropping into the teens, those wind chill factors around 5 to 10 degrees. So most of our area dealing with some lighter snow right now, but you head toward the south of the thruway into portions of southern Oneida, southern Herkimer, getting into Otsego counties, as well as portions of eastern Madison and northeastern Chenango counties. It is snowing at a moderate clip in some cases, so that's briefly reducing visibility thanks to the cold front that's moving through the area. Part of that clipper back toward the west, some high pressure building in, and another system down toward the south, although because it is a little bit warmer down there, it is mainly rain for most of those areas of the southeastern U.S. Back here closer to home, we'll be dealing with that clouds as well as the lake effect snow during the overnight hours. Temperatures dropping into the upper single digits to low teens for many of us. However, when you factor in the wind, it'll feel like it's right around 0 to the lower single digits. And then temperatures tomorrow getting their way into the 20s. There could be a few breaks of sunshine at times, but there still can't be there still could be an isolated or scattered snow shower or flurry chance at any point during the day. So overnight tonight, lows dropping to around 9 degrees with cloudy skies, those few snow showers, and that possibility exists during the day tomorrow. Temperatures in the upper teens to low 20s out there. And we'll see the 20s and the snow shower chances with us right through the end of the week. But then another bitterly cold weekend is upon us with high temperatures only in the single digits to around 10. Thomas, back to you.
Jordan, it's almost time for our...
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Currently 11:13 on this late Tuesday evening. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking some colder and more brisk conditions for our Wednesday. It does come with a lot of clouds as well as some lake effect snow showers. So that's part of your weather headlines. Let's get right to it. Again, mostly cloudy, brisk for our Wednesday with some lake effect snow showers, especially the further northwest that you go. The chance of a few snow showers lingers for our Thursday, and then snow showers becoming more likely again by Friday with another clipper moving through the area. We have one moving through the area right now as well. 23 degrees in downtown Utica with a lot of clouds and some snow showers in the vicinity. And checking out other numbers from around the region, we've got teens up toward the north and west, 20s down toward our south and east across upstate New York. And as far as temperatures here locally, they'll make their way into the lower, if not the middle 20s for our Wednesday. But when you factor in the wind, it'll feel like it's around 10 to 15 for most of the afternoon. Even as we head into the evening hours, we'll see temperatures dipping into the teens and those wind chill values dipping to around 5 to 10 degrees and then dropping to right around, if not just below 0 for tomorrow night into Thursday morning. So this is part of the cold front or the clipper that's moving down toward the Interstate 88 corridor right now. Back toward the northwest, though, we do have some lake effect snow building in off the eastern and southeastern side of Lake Ontario in the wake of that cold front with the colder air setting in. So down toward the south, though, we've got another area of low pressure closing in on the southeastern U.S., but because temperatures there are warmer, it's mainly rain with some snow mixed in on the north side of that system. But we don't have to worry about that. We'll just be dealing with a lot of clouds, some lake effect snow showers. I do think it's a little bit underdone on our in-house Futurecast model, but you get the idea. A lot of clouds, some lake effect snow showers possible at any point and location during the day tomorrow. And again, temperatures themselves getting up to around 20 to 25 for many locations, but when you factor in the wind, it'll feel like it's around 10 to 15 for most of the day, and we'll be socked in with a lot of clouds for tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening as well. So overnight tonight, however, we'll see cloudy skies with a few snow showers and temperatures around the single digits to low teens out there for many locations, but again, feeling like the single digits with the wind out of the west. Tomorrow, the winds are out of the west-northwest at around 10 to 15 miles an hour, and temperatures will be in the upper teens to the lower and middle 20s, but feeling like 5 to 15 for most of the day. And the snow shower chances stick with us into the weekend, but the temperatures in the 20s don't. They'll be with us through the end of the week. And then our third Saturday in a row with temperatures not getting out of the single digits. Sunday not looking much better for the big game, around 10 degrees. And then Monday and Tuesday, we do quiet things down and eventually warm things up. Thomas, back to you.
Thank you, Jordan.